Thank you. That's good. Actually, a little more, please. And can you water these 3 buckets? Can you give me some water here? Ah! Don't spray me. Spray here. Thank you. More. Alright, so just slowly pull it apart. Be careful because you don't know if the pawpaw roots are going to be really deep, because they're legendary for their taproots. So here's one. Whoa! Look at this huge taproot. It's already reaching the bottom of the container. Hello, Rain. Look at this pawpaw. Whoa! What a huge taproot. A lot bigger than I expected.
Why is it big?
It's just the way it is. That's why it takes so long, I guess. That's why you only see the top growing in August, because it spent the whole time with this root system, and it's probably about 10 centimeters already, 10 centimeters long. So what we'll do is we'll just see this. These pots are not actually proper pots, but the root will probably end up winding around and around, but that's all I have. So we'll just plant. We'll just work with what we've got. So let's check out our next pawpaw. Again, use your hands and be gentle, because you don't want to hurt the taproot, right? Because these pawpaws are going to have huge taproots. Whoa, look at this one. It's the one from back here, and it's 10 centimeters long. Whoa, look at that. Alright, so be very careful. And actually, these pawpaw, their roots are not very fibrous. Those fibers are probably from weeds or something, but it's one long taproot with a few minor roots coming off the side. So let's take a look at that. And the leaves, right? So this is a good time to transplant them, apparently. And I'm putting them in these pots so that they can easily be moved around later, because I don't really have the proper size of land to grow a ton of pawpaws, but I do have about a dozen popping up. So that's for that one. And then let's check out the third one here. So this is the last one for today, and its taproot is not as long as the other ones, but again, it's check it out. And that's again. So it's a pawpaw from this season. So let's just put it in the soil, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and that's how you transplant pawpaw. That's the end of the story. And these are weeds. Any more pawpaw in here? Nope. So here are some pawpaw seeds that I found in the same container as the ones that we just transplanted. And as you can hear, they sound hollow, like they're no good, I guess. And these ones did not germinate. So I doubt that they're gonna germinate. This one kind of cracked open. Let's take a look inside. So it's all black inside, you know, no life there. So that's no good. And you can hear the sound. So actually these are no good, I guess. So we'll just, oh, this one was a little white inside, but still, I don't think it was gonna germinate, and neither with this one. Yeah, look, yeah, those are no good. So that just goes in the compost. But thankfully, pawpaw has, each pawpaw fruit has hundreds or lots, a dozen seeds. So you'll have a good chance of getting some pawpaw trees from seed.